Realtors, GPT-5 is here, and if you're still using ChatGPT like 2023, you're leaving listings, leads, and commission on the table. Today I'm breaking down the 8 top most important GPT-5 updates, showing you exactly how to use them in your real estate business and why they're a massive leap from GPT-4. We're talking faster deals, smarter marketing, and more time back in your day. And by the end of this video, you'll have 8 specific workflows that you can put into action today. And by the way, once you hear number 5, you'll never go back to how you're using ChatGPT like you were before. So here's the game plan. We'll start with the updates that give you instant power, even if you're on the free version, and then move into the features that integrate GPT-5 directly into your daily operations. And finally, the advanced tools that literally act like a digital assistant working 24/7 in your business. Number 1, universal access to the best model. Even if you're on the free plan, you now start with GPT-5's full power. No watered down version, no guessing which model to pick. So why does this matter? Well, your assistants, your VAs, transaction coordinators can all run the same high quality prompts that you do without a paid account. You can have your VA draft your next 10 Instagram captions, optimize your last YouTube video descriptions, and write a 7 touchpoint buyer follow-up sequence, all with the same AI strategies that you have access to. And here's a pro tip. If you're managing a team like me, create a shared prompt library so everyone's running the exact same workflows and have access to the same prompts. Number 2, this one is huge. Business app integration to critical platforms you use to run your real estate business, such as Gmail and Google Calendar. GPT-5 can now directly connect to your Gmail and Google Calendar, and yes, it can handle your inbox and schedule the showings, but here's where it gets next level. It can scan your calendar and tell you exactly when you have time, or should have time, blocked off for your most important critical income producing activities. I'm talking prospecting, lead follow-up, content creation, and meeting with clients. Even better, if you have something coming up like a big trip, an event, a client presentation, GPT-5 can instantly build you a preparation checklist so you're proactive instead of reactive. This means you could stop running your business from a place of last-minute scrambling and start running it like a CEO who's always 5 steps ahead. Number 3, I love this one. Real-time voice coaching and role play. Full voice mode is now available to everyone, and the voices are shockingly realistic. Here's why this matters. The number 1 skill that will determine your income in real estate is communication. The better you are at handling objections, building rapport, and explaining your value, the more deals you close. Now, instead of practicing with a friend or in front of a mirror, you can have GPT-5 role plays a first-time buyer, an expired listing, or even an aggressive FSBO, and it will respond in real time with a realistic tone and emotion. So you can practice until your responses become second nature, so when it's game time with a real client, you're unshakable. And in a moment, I'll show you how GPT-5 can handle your marketing memory like $1,000 per month full-time content manager. Number 4, the smart mode model. With GPT-4, you had to choose between speed or depth. GPT-5 decides for you. So quick tasks, it fires back instantly, but when you need depth, it automatically slows down and goes into strategic thinking mode. For example, say you want to generate a catchy listing description for a downtown condo. GPT-5 will do that instantly. But if you ask it to create a 6-month content calendar, a detailed monthly market report for your farm area, and a full open house marketing plan, it will pause, think, and give you well-structured, multi-layered strategy without you needing to micromanage the process. That means you're getting the right level of thinking for every task. Number 5, a big one, ultra-large memory. This is the one I teased earlier. GPT-5 can now process the equivalent of a 300-page book in one conversation. This means that you can feed it last year's newsletters, your entire listing presentation, and your lead database all at once, and it will remember the details while you keep chatting. So for example, drop your past 12 months of market updates and ask GPT-5, create a 6-month content calendar, but focus more on seller-focused topics this time. It will pull from everything that you've already done and give you a hyper-targeted plan that feels like it came from a professional marketing director. Number 6, higher accuracy and less AI guesswork. One of the biggest concerns realtors have with the AI-generated responses is that it will feel too generic, too templated, and it will damage their brand. GPT-5 changes that. It's far less likely to make up facts, and it can produce real responses that are sharper, more unique, and aligned with your brand voice. That means you can confidently have it write relocation guides, market analysis, property descriptions, without worrying about it giving you a bland copy and paste answer that makes you look like every other agent. Number 7, built-in strategic reasoning. This is where GPT-5 goes from being a content tool to being a strategist. You can tell it, build me a 30-day plan to get 3 new listings, and it will break that into daily tasks, integrate multiple marketing channels, factor in follow-up systems, and even give you the content prompts that you'll need along the way. This isn't just handling your ideas, it's giving you a blueprint that connects every activity to the end result and the outcome that you're looking for. And finally, number 8, fully capable task agents, which is where the agents can now finish the job. In GPT-4, agents often stalled halfway, but in GPT-5, they can run an entire process from start to finish. So for example, give GPT-5 your past client list, tell it to draft personalized 1-year anniversary emails, create those emails in your CRM format, schedule them for delivery, and then generate a follow-up schedule. It's not just suggesting what to do, it's actually completing the workflow for you so you can move straight into execution. So here's the bottom line. GPT-5 isn't just a smarter chatbot, it's becoming the most valuable virtual assistant you've ever had. If you want to see the perfect next step, watch the video on the screen right here, and I'll show you how to use Manus to find neighborhoods in your market with the highest concentration of sellers ready to list now so that your competition is behind you because they're completely ignoring this opportunity.